Welcome. And for now is an LG F60, and today I will show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, we'll need to open up the settings app, and from here go into sound right here, and you should see Do Not Disturb right here. And from here you can enable it manually by basically selecting, by default it's all. You can select it to be priority or none, and none would be nothing can reach you while the Do Not Disturb mode is on. Priority only, which would you get to set up the time period. You can set it up to until turned off or for some certain amount of time. I'm just gonna keep it at until it's turned off. And basically with priority only, you can set up what priorities can go through. So right now it's set to calendar events, so that will only allow the calendar to go through, while calls and messages are disabled. And if you want to add, for instance, one of those or basically everything, like so, with this, basically anybody can call you or message you and you'll still get the notifications and the sound. Or you can set up here by basically specifying what kind of contacts can reach you. So we have anyone, favorite, or contacts only. So respectively, contacts only will be everybody in your contact list, and favorites is whoever you have favorite in your contacts. Probably this might be the best, I would say, although it's still a matter of preference. Let's say if you're on like a meeting or something, you might want to just turn off notifications altogether. So it's a matter of preference. And right now, with how it's set up right now, it would be basically turned on till it's disabled manually by basically doing this. And there is also a way to set up a schedule. As you can see, when you scroll down a little bit lower, you have days. And what you can do here is select each day you want the Do Not Disturb mode to be active. So let's say you want it to be from Monday to Friday, so you just tap on each one of these days like so. And then you can set up when they start and end. So for instance, you want to, let's say, set up a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode when you're going to sleep. So you might want to set it up, for instance, like to 11, and then next day at, let's say, 6. And basically with this, as it's set up right now, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on at 11 p.m. and turn off at 6 a.m. the next day. And it will still obey the same laws that you have set right here. So the favorite contacts will still be able to call you, calendar will go through, and stuff like that. But you can just simply check that off, and now only calendar or nothing can reach you. So it's fully customizable to how you like it, and this is basically how you set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.